So in this problem, it's given here that we have 3 points, A1, 1, -1, and 11, 4. These 3 points are collinear. Then we need to find out the value of A. Let us begin. Now, let's say we have 3 points with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Then the 3 points are said to be collinear if it follows the condition that the absolute value of x1 multiplied to y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2 equals to 0. So here what we'll do, we'll suppose that a comma 1, this point, let it correspond to x1 comma y1. The second point 1 comma -2, let it correspond to x2 comma y2, and the third point 11 comma 4, let it correspond to x3 comma y3. Now what we'll do, we'll substitute this value into a given equation such that we now get, we have absolute value of x1. So x1 will be a, we have a multiplied to it will be y2 minus y3. So that's -1 minus 4 added to x2. So x2 corresponds to +1, so that's multiplied to y3 minus y1, so that's 4 minus 1. So we have 4 minus 1 plus we have x3, so x3 will be 11, so 11 will be multiplied to y1 minus y2, so that's 1 minus of -1, so we have 1 plus 1. Fine, this will be equals to 0. So that means we now have absolute value of, so a times -5, we get -5a. 4 minus 1, that will be +3. Then we have 11 plus 11 times 2, so that's going to be 22. This will be equals to 0. So we now have absolute value of -5a plus 25 equals to 0. Or we can say -5a plus 25 equals to 0. Solving for a, we get a equals to 5. So this is the value of a, so for which the points a comma 1, 1 comma -1, and 11 comma 4 are going to be collinear.